Okay, Sanskriti, welcome to your mock PI. So I'll just introduce you to the panelists. We'll be taking a mock interview today. So we have panelist number one. We have Abad sir. He's a management expert working in the industry from last 12 years. He's a business head of Pehel Design. We have Prashant Verma sir. He's a subject matter expert of Pehel Design. Is in the industry, teaching industry from last 3 years. He's a mechanical engineer from BIT Mishra. So I would request Abad sir to please start the interview.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sanskriti, how are you doing today?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm very well.
Very good. So, why did you choose this color?
Sir, it's very new and unique color.
Okay. So, would you like to introduce your background? How did you approach this master's courses, and what was your first thought when you thought about this course?
First of all, I'll introduce myself. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to all the panelists. I'm Sanskriti Goyal. I live in Ghaziabad. It is also known as Gateway of Uttar Pradesh. So my academic background is I'm doing my fashion designing course, Bachelor's of Fashion Designing from M.T University, and currently I'm in last year. So I wanted to pursue MFM as I'm interested in fashion designing. I can pursue a Masters of Designing too, but main focus for doing MFM is that I want to focus on the planning. I want to focus on the management. This is I don't want anything more to be known for the designing. I'm more keen to know about the management, how management works, how export house works. So that's why I have came into this MFM course.
Do you know any export houses?
Yeah, Radnik Export, and I did the internship there. Shahi Export,
Okay. How this
Richa Global.
how this graduation is actually helping you?
It's helping me a lot. Like, first of all, I was not knowing the designing. I was having very great illusion that what does the designers do, what designers do to sell the things. Now I know actually what designing is, what trend is, what forecast is, how the fabrics are made. As I've already done the internship in export house, I know a little bit. So this is the background.
Hmm. Okay. What two brands would you like to tell about the ethnic wears you like the most?
Ethnic wear, global desi,
Hmm.
blue.
Okay. What are the specializations they are offering in NIFT in the masters?
Specialization, the export house, buying, merchandising, e-commerce, retail, and this much.
Okay. Any of your inspiration as a the designer you like the most?
Designer, I like Masaba Gupta, House of Masaba,
How's the Masaba?
that lady.
Okay, that's all from my side. Over to you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, Sanskriti, hello, how are
Hello,
you?
sir. I'm good.
Good. Yeah. So, you done bachelor's in
Fashion designing. I'm currently in
fashion
last year. Yeah.
you in the last year.
Yeah.
So, why not going for the job?
I have approached the job, even I got the job, but I want to pursue in masters. Like
So,
from
you
the
can do.
day one of bachelor's, I want to do the masters, and then I also wanted to do the PhD. So I am really
Okay.
into studies. Yeah.
Okay. So, in the masters, you can go for the M design also. You are going
So
for M
that's what
design.
I told to Abad
Okay.
sir. Yeah,
Mhm.
I don't want to pursue in designing. I love to illustrate the digital croquis too, but I'm not good at hand sketches, and I really don't want to go in the designing field now again, introducing the same things which I have already done in bachelor's. It's proper the same thing I have gone through the curriculum. It's the same thing they teach in Masters of Designing also. So I want to explore the world. So I want to do go in MFM.
Okay. So, after MFM, you go for the PhD.
Yeah, most probably.
Also, most.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you feel any difficulty in changing the subject
In
from B design to MFM?
No, not really, because I know planning management. I'm really keen to do into this. Like I have been in the internship with Radnick Exports for 45 days only, so I want to know the how prototype is made, what all the specifications are there. So I am really interested in that. So it will be not be difficult for me to do.
Okay. So you faced any problem in the internship time in your
Yeah,
job?
problem is like they did not teach me everything, not everything, because they were like, you are only here for 45 days. Kya सीखोगे? So they were like this. Like I know I want to learn everything as much as possible. So come here for at least 3 months, then it will be good. So it's not possible for me to do a 3 months internship in my regular course. So this was the problem I faced, because I am a student who want to learn everything at a
So
specific
how you overcome it? How you overcome it?
what
How you overcome it? How you solve your
I
problem?
overcome it. That's what my decision is here is like I want to do MFM from NIFT so that I can also pursue the internship through the NIFT. So this is
Okay.
what I
So
want.
for the because you face problem in the internship, that's why you are going for the MFM.
No, I told you I'm really keen to learn about the leadership skills, the manager skills, the planning skills, everything. It's like both the things at the same time.
Okay. So
It specifies my goal.
as a fashion designer, how you help to the industry after doing MFM?
Uh, okay. Firstly, I am very interested in teaching the students. Okay, so I love to teach students, and I really want to go in the teaching industry, in the teaching line, after doing my PhD. So I will be working as my dad worked 31 years in the general manager job in the civil engineering. So my aim is also to do the job only, not an entrepreneur.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how you know anything about sustainable design?
Sustainable design. Okay, sustainable design is something which we do for for a living. Like sustainable items are those which goes like forever, like which goes for a long time. Like I have did an internship in sustainable design, button masala, if you know,
Mm-hmm.
there, and I did a very good job there. And by converting small pieces of cloth into a garment, so
Mm-hmm.
this was very keen idea. This is very keen nowadays. Sustainable is into run.
Okay. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, thank you. Sankasi, what did you see, I mean, changes in yourself?
And
In yourself, like what changes did you find?
like I got groomed up so much. I got very much groomed up when I took this fashion designing. Everyone says this. I got good in communication skills. I got good in designing, illustrating skills, digital illustration. I got page also on Instagram. So this is what everything changed my life.
Have you heard about the pressure? I mean, what was the pressure in your college time? I mean, when you started this fashion design?
Pressure, okay. Pressure in the specific amity, I should say, is there are lots of subjects, like lots of subjects. In my first year, it was like 13 subjects, and all the nonsense subjects, I would say, like behavioral science and environmental studies, that of no use. Like literally, I have studied that subject in my fifth class. This is not my part. So this is what the pressure is, to study the subjects that I don't want to study. So this was the pressure, main pressure.
All right, that's all. Thank you so much. We have completed, and it's a quick feedback round. So, Sanskriti, I
Thank you.
guess try to avoid the negativity. Whatever you don't like, just don't say. It's none of your things, right? You need to tell the people. Rest of the things are fine. I guess the things are completed with you. Little bit idea about how you speaking is little bit. Just understanding the question first, and then try to answer it. It will be definitely helping you to understand the interviewer also. Rest of the things are fine with you because you're from the same background. We might have more questions and more time to you.
Yeah, you
Right?
can ask me, no issues for that.
Get ready for this. When do you
Totally
have this PI?
comfortable with the questions, no issue for that.
Right. When do you have this PI?
28.
All right. All the best. Over to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Same thing, same points as already Abbas has said. You please listen the question first and then answer, because many answers are different. Questions are different, but your answer is diverted, right? Sometimes. And negativity, negative points that subjects are not, because environment subject as the most important, because you are doing the sustainable design. Same question related to environment only, because your design should be good for the environment, not
But we
harm the
are
environment.
studying about the pollution in the environment.
That's why, because your design should not affect the environment, not pollution, not creating more
But
pollution.
it's
That's why
okay for one semester, right? We
I
are
agree. But
same
I agree.
subject in 3 semesters, 4 semesters.
I agree. But this is a thing that you need to ignore, because the
Okay.
same work you need to do for the whole year. If you are
Yeah.
doing one work for the whole year, then you after 1 year you say the same thing I have to do. So your attitude or behavior, they will point
Improvise
out
it.
that.
I'm sorry, sir. You can improvise. See, if you learn again and again something, you'll be the master of it, right? You didn't
Yeah.
get bored. You say, I'm now, I'm done with this. I've learned 3 times. So I am very sure that I'm very good with this. So it's always a positive side of everything, right?
Okay.
Right.
No, it was just that it was a pressure to me. Like studying, not studying the subjects I like.
No,
Right.
some point you are correct, but you present pointing that thing is not the way. Point is
Yeah.
correct,
Okay.
but
Yeah. Yeah.
presenting the way like this is not the correct way. Okay, so
Okay, I'll
this is
improve
the
on
thing.
it. Yeah, sure.
Right,
Okay,
Chalo.
right.
All the best to you.
Okay.
All the
Thank you
best.
so much, sir. Thank
All
you.
the best, Sanskriti. I hope you work on the feedbacks and all the best for your final round. Take care.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am.